Welcome to our video on small house entryway ideas. The entryway of your home is the first thing that greets you and your guests. So it's important to make it both functional and stylish. In this video, we will explore some creative ways to make the most of a small entryway space. Let's get started. Tip 1, maximize vertical space. One of the best way to make the most of a small entryway is to maximize vertical space. Use the walls to your advantage by installing hooks, shelves, and even a vertical shoe rack. This space-saving solutions will keep your entry organized and clutter-free, while also adding some visual interest to the space. Tip 2, add a console table. Another great way to make a small entryway more functional is to add a console uh, table. Not only will it provide a surface for storing keys, mail, and other items, but it can also serve as a decorative focal point. Choose a table with the drawers or shelves for even more storage options. Tip 3, incorporate a mirror. Mirrors are a great addition to any entryway regardless of the size. They reflect light and create the illusion of more space, making a small entryway feel larger and more inviting. Plus, a mirror is a practical addition for checking your appearance before heading out the door. Tip 4, use a statement rug. Don't underestimate the power of a statement rug in a small entryway. A bold pattern or color can add some much needed personality to the space while also helping to define the entryway as a separate area from the rest of the home. Just be sure to choose a rug that is easy to clean and maintain. Tip 5, get creative with lighting. Lighting can make a big difference in any space, and the entryway is no exception. If you don't have a lot of natural light, consider adding a statement pendant light or a pair of sconces to brighten up the space. And don't be afraid to get creative with your lighting choices. A unique fixture can add a lot of personality to a small entryway. uh, then overall conclusion, so there you have it, some creative ideas for making the most of a small entryway space. Whether you are looking to maximize storage, add some decorative flair, simply